Friends, in 2015, option trading made $2.4 million in just 28 minutes. Through option trading might not seem like a 18 crores through, but yes, in which he was earned. Very interesting. 2015, Diana Mituli, a reporter for the Wall Street Journal, about ongoing discussions, Intel and another company, discussing its acquisition of the Alter company. Just 1 second after this tweet, an option trader whose name is not publicly available executed a trade at the rate of 0.35, and out the money option of Alter after only 28 minutes. When the option price reached 8.5, they sold it, resulting in earnings of $2.4 million. The point is, how can someone execute a trade in just 1 second? Most of us takes a couple of minutes even just to decide. Even we don't add time decision making. Process of buying a stock or executing a trade takes around 35 to 40 seconds. So how trade was executed in just 1 second? It's not possible to execute a manual trade in 1 second, but with the help of algo trading it can be done, as demonstrated in this case. So what is algo trading? Algo trading is a short for algorithm trading, which involves performing mathematical calculations, operations based on rules. For example, 2 plus 2b is an algorithm, and when we trade by following a set of rules, it is called algo trading. Trading is an art, but the algo trading is the science behind the art. Algo trading involves creating computer programs based on variables such as time, price and volumes, defining a set of rules and using these programs to execute trades, which is approximately 18 crores. The advantage of algo trading is a speed. Like the option trade we mentioned, trades can be executed in just 1 second. Additionally, algo trading offers high accuracy, which is crucial for big traders because even slight fluctuation can result in losses worth millions or even billions. You might be wondering if these traders are institutionals or hedge funds. They don't manually execute their trades like us. Instead, they use specialized softwares to execute their trades. Their capital is so high that manual trading is not feasible for them, which is why they rely on algorithms. To simplify, consider a program that follows like a buying 100 units of a stock when its 50-day moving average crosses 200-day moving average. With such rules in place, 100 units of a stock will be automatically bought within a 1 second, ensuring both accuracy and speed. Algo trading is completely legal in India and regulated by SEBI. Algo trading is used by many traders in the world. Many traders are moving their manual trading to algo trading. Although it was initially used by institutions, it has been available to retail traders like you and me since 2016. Over 70% of the market liquidity now comes from algo trading. If you are interested in trying algo trading, there are brokers including Dhan offering trading interfaces through their APIs, application programming interfaces for retail traders. Check the table on the screen to see which brokers provide this service for free. To get started with the algo trading through Dhan, sign up on the Dhan website, then generate their trading API key. Then you can integrate it into your app or trading software. If you are not familiar with the coding, then you can hire coder or you can contact us. If you are interested, we have already covered this starting algo trading in another video. Now that you understand the process of algo trading, let's explore some of its strategies. Systematic trading takes into account microeconomic factors, the strategy frame based on the technical indicators, volume and risk, considering the ongoing revolution in this direction. Hedge funds generally follow this approach to align with the market direction. If we formulate this correctly, our capital also can move in this profitable direction, just like institutional funds. Momentum trading also may be considered a systematic trading method. The second strategy is scalping. You may have noticed that there is often slight difference between the buy price and ask price of a stock. Scalping involves taking advantage of this difference for quick, short duration trades, typically lasting only few seconds to a few minutes. To execute such trades efficiently, computer programs are essential. Orders on exchanges are executed only when the bid price and ask price match, and scalping relies on exploiting these differences. So friends, you can now explore and use these strategies in your trading endeavors. If you are new to trading or having a limited capital to invest, algo trading can be incredibly beneficial. While it may seem complex, it offers several advantages. Firstly, algo trading ensures accuracy in executing trades as it's not driven by human emotions. Computer programs can execute a large number of trades at higher speeds than humans. This is particularly advantageous for institutional investors. Secondly, algo trading eliminates the influence of human emotions, preventing impulsive decisions and potential losses due to moving stop losses. Thirdly, all strategies can be backtested to assess their effectiveness, allowing you to automate them based on historical data. However, algo trading does have its drawbacks. Technical glitches can sometimes lead to trade execution failures, resulting in substantial losses. Additionally, it relies on mathematics and historical data, making it vulnerable to sudden market changes. Lastly, it's crucial to be cautious when choosing an algo trading platform. Many unregulated platforms promise high returns, but it's essential to ensure that the platform is safe and regulated. For Indian traders, SEBI has mandated that all algo trading platforms must be registered with them. In conclusion, algo trading is still relatively new for retail traders, but is gaining popularity due to brokers offering trading apps with the trading apps pre-formulated strategies. Learning coding or hiring developers may be necessary if you want to create a custom algorithms. As more market participants adopt algo trading, a structured approach will become increasingly important. It appears that algo trading is the future, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoy this video and want to see more contents like this, please give it thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Watch the video until now. You are very special to us. Please let us know by leaving a comment. Thank you for your support.